Hi all. I sort of did an unboxing, but then UPS dropped me off a Temu order. I got these bags from Temu. They came with the normal mail. I put in one, I have my plastic welding gun, and the other one I have all my Dremel stuff. So I got two of them. I also got two pin sets, which I'm not going to bother showing. I'll just show them when I get done with the pins. I'm going to see Deadpool 3 in a little bit, but I wanted to get this a case of store miniatures. T-shirt for my daughter. Started getting some Christmas presents out of the way. Another T-shirt for my daughter. This Spider-Man mask ain't like the other one I ordered. The one I got last time, when you squint, it closes the eyes. A bunch of pins, which this is another T-shirt for my daughter. And a bunch of pins. Lord of the Rings one. Now see, when I got that black Spider-Man mask, I ordered from the same place thinking that the mask is the same. Poltergeist. Very Odd Parents. I got the fairy, which this way to fairy world. Part of the Marvel, but Hello Kitty, the Spider-Man. Animaniacs Yakko. Or is that Wacko? The pigeon from Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. A Game Boy pin. There's the scissors. Oh, took a nosedive. Still recording. Guitar Hero. I say, Yosemite. I don't know, I was doing Foghorn Leghorn. Peanuts. I got enough treasure chest. The Mandalorian. Which is better if I just do it this way. What's up, Doc? Looney Tunes. Well, this one is actually for my buddy for his birth for Christmas. So I put that aside. I should have one for me floating around in here too. Loki. These go in the video game section of my pin collection. Cuphead. Mugman. I know how many licks it takes to get to the Stranger Things. Cosmocon. My fair parents. A different Captain Caveman than the one I had. Well, I got another What's Up, Doc, which over there with the doubles. I didn't. How the hell did I get two of them? I have to check my order. Watch them send me doubles like they did last time and not send me a couple of my ordered. We're all mad down here from Alice in Wonderland. And Uncle Sam pin, which I'll just keep that over there because they sent me a double of that, and I don't think I ordered two of them. Nightwing. Mars Attacks. The Whalen Group from Alien. Commodore 64. I used to have one of them. Well, this is easy. This is my Doors pin. They're going to the music section one. So there's the Doors. Brewed in a pot. Another group one. I got a bunch of Marvel pins out of this. Another Groot. Wile E. Coyote. Archangel. I don't know who. Blink, I guess. It's got that. Vision. War Machine. Storm. Iron Man. Magneto. Oh, forgot. Black Panther. Then I got this lot of Stitch ones. Which I'll end up having almost a full page of just Stitch pins. Then I bought treasure chests for D&D, and I ended up getting 2 of them. So now I got to go through, and I got a Spider-Man mask, which isn't like the black one I got. Okay, well, I got to go. So thank you for viewing and subscribing.